Yep, perfect. Yep. So I'm about to get started now. Then when I get the coating down, I'm gonna go do a consultation, and then when I come back and do the UV cure, I'll call y'all before I start UV cure. Okay, it'll probably take me about 30, 45 minutes to UV cure it. Okay, gotcha. All right, Christian. All right, brother. Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Tuesday, August the 5th. That's actually my recommended moving guys that I recommend. Christian, he moves maybe 90% of my clients, so he just got through moving the furniture from my client here. So anyway, guys, this client was actually referred to me by a real estate agent. Lately, I've been getting, again, this is selling and moving season, because they're actually moving out, putting their house on the market. And I came out here, Justin, he paid for an in-home consultation. I came out here about 2 weeks ago. He booked on the spot to restore his wood floors. He said, Courtney, when I put these wood floors in, it was about 40 grand to put these floors in. So they've been putting some type of polish down on the floor. So we're going to strip that off today, screen the floor, recoat the floor, and UV cure the floor today. Guys, we've been having some rainy weather lately, but again, still out here working. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so I am actually in Mableton, Georgia. And then once I leave, when I put the coating down here, I am going to go do a paid consultation in Marietta, Georgia. And I also had a lady reach out to me. She just texted me and said she's going to go ahead and pay for her in-home consultation. And she's in Satin, Georgia. So let me show you guys what I got going today. It's a little bit over 800 square feet. And guys, if you look at these floors, see right here, if you get real close, that's all that wax on the floor, man. So this stuff is real brittle. So I'm gonna dry strip this stuff off. There's my client, Justin. So Christian them just got through moving the furniture. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is start. So this is how the floor is supposed to look. And they've been putting wax on the floors. So and again, this is an engineered floor, so this floor cannot be sanded. So what I'm about to do, guys, is clean and prep this floor, soften it up, and then I am going to braid it, coat it, and UV cure. What's up, Justin?
Hey, Courtney, how's it going?
They did good moving the furniture?
They did.
Yeah,
Excellent job.
awesome, awesome. Well, all right, brother, well, I'm going to go ahead and get started. If you could just get me some more light in here. And I actually got a light that I might plug in. Did this light work?
No, it doesn't.
Okay, so I got a few lights I can bring in.
Okay. And I can plug, if you need to, we can plug these up right
Yeah, just plug up one of them or two of them. And let me see what we got left, so we don't have light in here either. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get some light. I'm gonna go ahead and clean and prep this floor and then start screening this floor, and stay tuned. All right, guys, I just went and did a consultation. It's a little humid today, so it's taking a little bit longer for the floors to dry out. So I just went on and did a consultation, and I'm back. I'm about to do the first coat. And guys, these floors are actually over 25 years old, so they have taken a lot of wear. So got a screen, vacuum clean, little color correction here and there. Now time to put down the coating. Actually, my consultation went perfect. It's a clean and buff, and he's scheduled for Monday. So actually, I have 2 clean and buffs for Monday. All right, guys, go ahead and get the coating down on this floor. And then after that, get the second coating down. Stay tuned.
Okay.
All right.
Awesome.
And you said, what was the real estate agent name that referred me to?
Oh, Gail Barton.
Miss Gail. Yep, yeah. She's referring me to a lot of people.
Yes, awesome.
All right.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome. All right, guys. So I was just showing my client the floors. So much better, so much better. Now I will say too, if you look really close, you can't see it, but I mean, really from a standing view, you see like these little scratch marks. A lot of time that gets into the actual wood. Those cannot come out, but the main objective was to get all that polish and wax off these floors, which I did, all right, and get the floors just looking back natural. So again, when you're dealing with engineered floors, there's actually only so much you can do to them. And like I say, guys, looking at how they look now, okay, than how they looked before with all that high sheen on it. This is definitely an improvement. Like I always say, I always say we can expect a 50 to an 80% improvement. And I'm going to say on this floor, definitely about 70% improvement. I got tongue twisted. Because like I say, man, the floors look much even now. Got some good protection on them. Now I'm about to get them UV cured. And like I say, they just did this, again, to get all that wax off and just make the house look presentable when they show the house. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the floors UV cured, and then the moving guys are actually heading back now. All right, guys, stay tuned. Yeah, it came out good. Hey, all right, guys, the movers are back. My movers just giving me compliments on the floor. Yes, sir. Like I say, this is definitely a good 70. I always say a 50 to an 80% improvement. I'm gonna say 70, because sometimes my expectations be a little higher. But you know what I will say though, man? This floor is over 25 years old. Yeah, it is, man. So for 25 years, man, it definitely looks a whole lot better. And especially just to put it on the market, so. Yep. All right, guys. So the movers, or I stayed behind. I wanted to get the movers putting the furniture back, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap up with my client. All right, he's hooking the internet back up. All right, guys, I'm gonna stay behind and show you the furniture going back. That is the benefit of the UV cure. This is the #1 benefit of the UV cure. Floors came out great. And the furniture is going back same day. That is my recommended mover that I recommend, Christian. He moves maybe about 90% of my clients. So they're putting the furniture back. Floors were stripped, screened, cleaned, coated, 2 coats, and UV cured. And the floors came out a whole lot better. And these floors over 25 years old, and just giving them a good redo or recoating for going on the market. All right, guys. Well, tomorrow I'm going to be at the Atlanta Women's Club. They called me back to do the ballroom again. I usually do the ballroom once a year, and I just called Miss Corinne because I realized she didn't say anything about the furniture moving, and Christian just told me that he didn't have them on the schedule. So hopefully they have all the chairs moved off the floor and the piano, because they usually move the piano as well. All right, guys, well, my day is done. It has been a rainy week here in GA for the last 3-4 days. And I think it's going to rain up to Thursday, and then hopefully we'll get some more sunshine. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Courtney Truman, and also Miss Gail, the real estate agent that referred me to her client. Thank you so much again, Miss Gail, for the referrals. I greatly appreciate it. See you in the next one.